Today I'm gonna be here to showing you how you can create your own world in Meta Horizon Worlds. So let's get started. First, open up your menu, not your real menu, not this one, this one. Then you're gonna look at the bottom. You see settings, you can say worlds, and claim prizes and friends. Right next to friends should be this. Click on that. And then press create new world. You're gonna choose a map. Any map does. Whatever you want to recreate. I'm gonna do... I don't know. I'll do Rocky Island. You're gonna name the world. God, I don't know how to spell Edwin. I'm just gonna put Edwin because it's a tutorial video. I'm not gonna post it or anything, but I'll show you how to post it. Oh God, why does my smile look like that? New worlds are waiting, shining the quest rewards. Okay. Alright, now you should see like your world you chose. Now what you should see is this right here. You see this? You see this thing? Point that down and you'll be in here. Now I want to teach you how to move. So you're gonna hold your grip button and then you're gonna act like you're playing Gorilla Tag but hit your grip button and you'll start moving. Let me delete that. Alright, now let me teach you how to size. So you're going to hold both of your grip buttons and you should see this line. Pull it inward to go bigger, pull it outward to go smaller. Now I'm going to teach you how to grab. So put your hand in here and then press your shooting button. I like to call it that. And then you see these three options. This is how to select it. This is how to duplicate it. And then this other option right here is how to delete it. Just press that. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these. Because obviously I don't like when they're here. Alright, now let me tell you how to mess around with everything. So I usually like Tiny to check what it looks like, like the pixels, or go up its Now this right here, hold on. Now this is where the player's gonna spawn. So it can be like right here. Don't delete that though. You can't. Oh, never mind. Now the player ain't gonna spawn. I gotta undo that. Alright, so this, if you accidentally delete something, this is the undo button. Just press that. And it'll be able to spawn back. You can put it anywhere you want. So, where should I put my character, guys? I'm not gonna do... Here, I don't even need him. Or, I'm not gonna publish this level, but I'm just gonna put him right here. Now, since you learned the basics, this is where it gets more complicated. You see this? Tap that, or tap your menu button to open up the shapes. You can size them by holding them both, and you can make them bigger or smaller. Now guys, this is where it becomes like more complicated. So this right here, if you leave it, you might notice these. Pull those out to make it like a bigger shape, or like that. You can rearrange it, stuff like that. There's other shapes too, like a sphere. Sphere. You can, now this is the duplicate button. If you go inside of it and you grab it, you get another one. You literally can do this like multiple times. Now let's undo all of that. This is the painting tool. It opens up a paint material thing. Here, let me get a square real quick. Let's make it bigger. Alright, now this is the paint. You can choose any color. I'm going to choose orange, my personal favorite, and just touch it. Like, don't do that. Here, hold on. I didn't mean touch it and it'll turn. So what you have to do is go inside of it again and just press the shooting button, and it'll turn into that color. Now that's way more. There's gizmos, there's sounds, backgrounds, there's music as well. All of you, see? They're not that complicated to set up. See? Now, here is assets. There's a lot of stuff you could place. And I mean a lot of stuff. You could literally place this tree and it'll be so big. You know what I like to do? So I like to on Christmas, I would probably, the best thing to do on Christmas, hold on. Oh God. I can't find it. Lights. Decorative lights. Alright, so I like to get lights. Hold on. Alright, and then I like to turn them sideways and make them tiny. And on Christmas, I would put this. I would put them like this, and it would look like a Christmas tree. But there's so much more than just creating. Now, if you're making an obby, oh God. Now, if you're making an obby, this is, you'd probably be shapes. You'd probably be shapes, because obbies are made like that. So I'm just making this for an example. Now you probably would be like this. That's because you probably would want to build a thing that I call... Bro, where's the music coming from? Alright, guys. So, what you could do is Bro, what is this noise? Bro, I hate this. Alright, there you go. So then, bro, why is it unlocked? Alright, so you could, choose, a noise that you would like. It's basically, it's not that complicated. And, well, yeah. assets, a chair. You could search up chair. Oh my gosh. And I need to test real quick. Can you sit on these? Because if you can, I would be so happy. Okay, you can't. This is why I'm making them adult size. First, we need a chair. Like a CH. Oh, we can just go to furniture. Interiors, furniture, same thing. What is this? This is not furniture. There we go. I'm trying to find chairs. There's a chair right here. Now, this would probably be good for a hangout game. Why is the chair so big? Bro, this chair is mega size. Shrink it. Boom. Boom. You could place like chairs and stuff. It's pretty cool. Now, I want to teach you how to publish. Now, if you know this by now, you probably want to publish your world. Because you probably are done with it. And so, you have to be in this mode. Or it will not work. Next, go in your menu. Now you would see this little world. Click that. Then choose a thumbnail image. There does not have to be a thumbnail image, but if you want, you can choose one from your images or take a photo. Visible to public. You would want that slider on. And then if you want it members only, if you go ahead, slide that. Well, it probably would not be public. Now, make sure your name is a name. Make sure you selected a name. Now, the description you don't have to do, but you can do like fun. I'm just putting this for an example. And then world rating, get rating. Now, this probably would rate how bad yours is. So it would probably be like, if it's for kids, you would choose none above. If it's like violent, it'd probably be for adults. So I'm gonna go ahead, just put none above. Now it should say that. Hold on. It should say this. Your world is rated to everyone. Now, comfort rating, not rated. So, your world could be comfortable, intense, moderate. It could be, like, super cool. Comfortable, I'm just going to add that. Now, you have to add tags. That's one of the most important things you have to add. So, if it's casual means, like, no PvP or no fighting. So, I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And drama means like funniness or dance, and dance means like boom, boom, boom. Oh, okay, I don't know. Hangout, it means like playing together, you know. Hub, it's like a fun hub. Music, no, yeah. So, I first have to add tags. Alright, I'm just gonna pick a random one. Alright, there you go. Now press save at the bottom. Now it says world not published yet. Then once you click this blue thing right here, it'll be published. I'm not gonna do it because I'm not publishing this. Just saying. I've already did everything. I know. I'm just not gonna publish it. And I hope you have fun. Enjoy.